Hey guys, welcome again to the channel. I'm Daisy, and today we're going to talk about an a very good app. If you're into mobile gaming, you want to step up your game, and you probably say, why mobile gaming? Because mobile gaming at the moment is really kicking off. So here's my app review, and we're going to start now. So if you're looking for an app that actually does full HD, meaning 1080p recording, here's the app for you. Well, so far it's a master record app for on the Android Play Store. It's free, does everything you need. You can edit your videos, putting your main clips on, adding annotations, adding text, putting titles, sound effects and stuff. So we want to talk about it now. So right, here's the app here. So far keep going for master recorder, right? This is the app here. I haven't used the easy screen recorders yet, or the other screen recorders have. So far I'll open it, and this is the exact app you'll be looking for. It does everything like I say. Most of all, best part is free. And for your information, I am not being sponsored by the app developers in any way. Like I say, further during the video you'll see how I'll do a demonstration on how the app works, the basics of it. So clip open. I would actually running already, so I'll show you what I mean. So again, my background noise dropped not too long past. So these are the clips I have saved in my folder here at the moment, right? You can also use it as a image editor, photo editor, compress videos, edit videos on the spot. So you don't necessarily need a PC to do all your editing, as well as all the stuff you need to do online for online creation as well as. So here's all the instructions. First of all, head to the Play Store and then type in search of master recorder, or you could click down in the description, have a link to where to get straight to your phone. Secondly, install the app to your phone. The best thing about this app, your phone do not need to be rooted. Step 3, set up installation and allow. Step 4, Step 4, launch the app. When you open the app, there'll be home screen logo, as well as you could actually, it'll be on the side of your phone there. So when you're ready to launch your games, just press the logo button, that's the record button, and then start the record. Do your voiceovers also, press the webcam button, and so you can see yourself live. So if I say how I was saying before in the video, you could do commentaries, you could do that stuff like like an impression of the game, so the viewers could see what your face will be. But in idea, I mean, this will be in portrait mode, it will be in landscape mode for some games. Like I would say CLash Royale. CLash Royale is a game that will be in portrait mode, so you won't be seeing it. Let's talk about the benefits of the app. First of all, my number one is easy to operate. This app was very easy to operate, no problems whatsoever, no glitches, even edits the video very clean. Secondly, free version got the benefits. I didn't see nothing about being app with other stuff like gotta pay for it and stuff. Number 3, they got sound, and if you want to improve, just install an external mic. 4th, built-in video editor. If you only go out, say, you don't have a big fancy PC, you don't have a big setup, a big rig, doing your editing, you can do it on the go, mobile, I was saying. 5th, or 5, number 5, be able to record in HD 1080 and even 24 frames for the cinematic effect, or 60 frames for crispy gameplay. 6, video cameras are available to make your videos for tutorials, for let's play, or even commentaries. Right, now here's the installation process. How you want to install these So at the end of the day, I may not be the best person to talk about this, the app that is. I know about developing apps and things. But at the end of the day, the app might take away from it, but very simple to use. It's free. And you get your startup like that going to YouTube, going to Facebook as well as other social platforms to get into gaming. So hey guys, thanks again for watching this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe if you think about it. Again, this app, I recommend it. You should have subscriber contact. Thanks again for watching this video. Most of all, I enjoy watching games. I enjoy explaining my view, my take on apps. Yeah, even with some vlogs, there's vlogs. We have some more stuff on